Hindi ko rin alam eh. Oo nga, pumila ka na doon.
Merry Christmas na lang.
Dalian mo na.
Alam ko naman na mabait kang bata. Sanay ka pa sa mga dito.
Ay, seryoso.
Ba't may mga balon pa?
Wala, aalis. Sige, balik. Ano girl? Teka lang dyan.
Our fourth member of the Seven Roses, we have Achilles. Our fifth member of the Seven Roses, we have Renzo. Next, we have Samuel Parola.
And dance with my mind. Spin me around till I fall asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved.
Bestie charming, there's no other day more perfect than your birthday to tell you how meaningful and touching your friendship is to me. I want you to know that you are so much more just my best friend to me. You're more like a sister I never had. I always be grateful that I was blessed with someone as special as you in my life. You're my soul sister and best friend forever. Sarmin, your BFF, Feliz Lorraine.
Hug mo siya!
birthday, Ate Aming. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Aming.
Hi, Aming. I just want to say happy birthday.
Hi, Aming. I just want to say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Charmaine. Happy birthday, Charmaine. Happy birthday, Aming.
Happy birthday, Aming.
Happy birthday, Amin. 7 years old ka na. Dapat maging mabait ka na at saka lagi ka makikinig sa mga mami at mami, daddy at mga ate, kuya mo. Lagi ka mag-iingat. Happy birthday ulit. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday,